Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number from Facebook in Facebook Lite app. So here you can see this is the Facebook Lite app. So simply click here, three line top right corner on your screen. Once you click there, then here you'll see it's your menu uh, page. So simply scroll down a little bit, then click here settings, under settings and privacy, so first option, and then click here personal and account information. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then it takes few time, and here you'll see third option, phone number. Simply click on phone number. Once you click phone number, then here we'll see the remove option, current phone number. So you can remove or you can add your number, or uh, you can edit anything. Okay, so simply click remove. Once you click remove, then you can say, are you sure you want to remove this number, and I understand I could lose access to my account. So simply click understand and click remove number. Once you click there, then your number will be deleted from this. And if you want to add again, then you can see add phone number, then you can add again. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.